Hello, this is Hank from Holistic Health and Healing, and this is just a little video to show you some of the new things we have. Some of them, since I'm holding the phone, I'll have to redo when I can actually show you. This is a 14-inch quartz singing pyramid, which I'll need two hands to play. There's an 8-inch one over there as well. But here is all the cool little sound new crystal balls that we have. And underneath here, this is a 22-inch one. This is a handheld to an A sharp, which is for the pineal gland. And the Big Daddy 24-inch. And then, of course, my new little favorite one,